Hey guys, and thanks for logging back onto the channel. So today's video is all about Smonet. Smonet A1 Smart Lock is the smart lock for those who want a smart life. A few weeks ago, I'm not sure when you'll see this video, but I did an unboxing of the smart locks. I will tag that video to this one. Since I've completed that video, I now have the smart lock installed. I'm going to take you along with me to show you exactly what it does. So let's go. I'm now outside in my garage and the door is locked. First thing I'm going to do is use the IC fob. And you see I put it there and the door opens. IC fob. Now we have this program so that after 1 minute's time, the door is going to lock. And I'm just gonna, talk a little bit about some of the functionality. What I think I'm going to do is go ahead. So I'm going to show you that the door is open. And of course, you always can use your handy dandy keys. So I'm going to use the key, lock the door, and you see, I'm going to push the code in order to unlock the door. Code pushed in, door is unlocked. Okay guys, in this part of the video, what I'm showing you is the application that you will download to your phone. You can see that it's downloaded. It's called Next Lock. It shows you everything here that you can do in order to lock or unlock. It shows you fingerprints, its cards, passcode, e-keys there. I'm going to just click on records right there, and this is showing you all the times that we have logged into our system. That right there is me, wife. This is the demonstration that I was showing about how to lock and unlock this previously. I was testing it out, but you can see it keeps a log and what is used. For example, here it says unlock with the app, where here it says unlock with the IC card. So I did this in order to, one, test the lock, but also to show you how it keeps a running log of everyone or whomever has tapped into this system and by what means that they used. I just want to show you real briefly that here for fingerprints, it is programmed Mom, Dad, and Shayla. So it is programmed to recognize the different fingerprints for those who live in the home. So we have that there. This last part of the demonstration, what I'm going to show you is how you can lock and unlock via the mechanism right here. So I'm going to hold this down with my thumb, trying to lock. Please wait. And you can see that it is locked. Now I'm going to do it again to see if I can get it to unlock, and it says touch to unlock. I touch to unlock. It is unlocked. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tapping in and watching this product demonstration of the Smonet Smart Lock. This is the A1 series. It comes in black and silver. I ordered the silver look. I love it. It's modern, it's sleek. It looks classy. This lock provides functionality and security as well. Look in the description box for this video. You will see the links are there. If you can't click on the link, just highlight it and right click or copy and paste the link into another browser. It will take you exactly to this product so you can order yours today. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one.